God. It's everywhere. Hey there everyone, so today we got another car show. Now I was supposed to meet everybody for breakfast in 15 minutes. I live 20 minutes away and I need to clean my car. I haven't gotten that far yet. I was working with that Miata yesterday. So I'm gonna finish cleaning the car up and I'll let you guys know when we make it there. We're gonna make a pretty cool video. It's more of a vlog today, nothing too fancy. So now we're just gonna head on over. We're gonna meet everybody for breakfast, which will probably be lunch by the time we all get there. But I'm gonna do that, and we're gonna have a kick-ass day at the car show. So enjoy. Slight change of plans. We all had a really late start, so we're at McDonald's. This McDonald's isn't the best either, so this is gonna be fun. They'll be here soon. Right now it's just me and Bryson. Apparently we were all gonna meet at Country Inn, and he showed up, I guess, and he's been sitting there for a while, I guess, waiting and waiting. So I pulled in, and it's like, oh, hey, sorry. Oh, hey.
How early were you at Country Inn?
10:30.
Oh my goodness.
Bryson, I think there's been a mix-up. You must have stole someone else's Miata.
Oh yeah?
Last time I checked, your car was not shiny.
We're on our way to get registered. So this is gonna be a fun one. I want to take a trophy from this, or I at least want one car out of this lineup to take a trophy home. Because there's been a lot of hours put into these shows, and it would be really cool to take another trophy home, if not for everybody. So let's make it happen. This is so clean for once.
You ever long for true love? Every day it's getting closer, going faster than a roller coaster.
So it's all clean until you get to right here, and then you see that.
That's awesome. She's hot in yours. She's hot in yours. Is this the car company?
Oh my god.
Hey, what are you doing?
Read that thing.
This is such a pretty color. I love B5 blue. I love it.
It really is. How does somebody keep that clean?
What?
How does somebody keep that clean?
Jeez.
Like, it just
brand new engine
scratches
cover.
instantly. Like, that's just nuts.
I think they take it off every time they take it somewhere.
Probably.
The only flaw I see in it is the reflection of your face.
I know, right?
My exact face.
So that's how it's gonna be, huh?
Just hit me with the GoPro. So we're gonna have to fight now. We don't need 10 rounds to settle this.
Dude, what's going on with your hat?
What are you talking about, buddy?
What are you doing?
You part of that high performance fake stuff?
What are you talking about, buddy?
You wanna know a secret about car shows?
Mm.
If you go to them and you sneeze in your car, they always get nervous.
They're always
It's like, I just cleaned that.
they get their detail spray out. They just start spraying you in the
It's
face.
just,
and
it's
race
just
down.
gorgeous. What?
Brady.
Brady's ain't got no engine.
Hey, where are you taking that engine to?
Okay, I'm trying to figure something out because the other GTO had it in it too. Oh, I'll get it.
Yeah, where
I can't figure it out because it's two of them I've seen like that. The only
I've seen that also.
Yeah. Now other ones they put a goat in there, which I get that one. People always call them goats for some reason. Alright, so they're doing an engine lockup contest, and apparently the closer you get to it, if you're the closest to the actual time it takes to lock up and just die, you get split apart.
Xander, you over anybody else here should know exactly how long it's going to take for that engine to die when it's out of oil.
Do we want to see which of them?
You should take the microphone and you should be like,
Lick it.
I will volunteer my own Mustang for this experiment, and all I have to do is start it and drive it out in the parking lot, and we will just see what happens.
It's a small camera.
It's a GoPro.
I almost got a car today. I would have just had to change my girlfriend.
What?
This guy over there with the Roadrunner. He's like, yeah, trade you my Roadrunner for your girlfriend.
Did he really say that? You're like,
Okay.
The Jeopardy song just starts playing.
Dude, that sunroof is huge for a truck.
Huge.
Huge.
I almost want the Miata to win more than anything else.
93.
Because it looks so
I mean,
good,
like,
you know?
how
Miata
different it
deserves
looks
the
now
trophy.
compared to yesterday. It's just insane.
And I
And
mean,
if they like, I should have like taken a picture of it before and after, and just sat it right out in front of the car.
Yeah.
We
last
should have
night
got a
versus
before and
right
after
now.
picture of it.
not even 100 cars. Why do you have them?
My car is not really special. Just another Mustang.
Yours has just killed 2 deer. Mine's just hit a cow.
Did you
Well,
put that on
2
there?
cow. Yeah, I put 240,000 miles daily driven. Hit 2 cows, 1 deer, and 2 birds, and survived.
Right.
The car's just
I want
gonna
to take a
catch on
camshaft to the head for the insurance money.
Lands by you, pick it up, slap it across your head, drop it. Oh my god! Ow! This is unsafe! Beer and tractor.
What's your time?
My time is 10 minutes and 20 seconds.
13.
Or maybe 10:10. It might have been 10:10.
I
It
guess
was 10 minutes and 11 to 20 seconds.
Saying 13. I'm not putting money down on it, but I'm gonna say 13.
But that's your guess. Your
Yeah.
guess doesn't matter because you didn't risk money on it.
You're gonna be,
I
you're
know.
gonna be so mad it's exactly 10.
Yeah, you're gonna be like, God dang! For just $1.
For $1, I could have had many dollars. So.
I think it has already died.
Not yet.
Hey, there won't be any blue smoke anymore because it's out.
So that's how they do it.
Blue smoke gets bad. That's when I'm gonna start the camera.
Dude, there's no oil
It
in
won't
it.
have any oil, so the blue smoke, when the black smoke gets really
It's
bad.
either it dies or
Dude, it's already started. It's already about to
I think I
die.
know why they did that.
maybe that's why they traded it in.
Xander, is this what's going to happen to your car?
Dude, we sat the wrong
Always, Luke, you were sitting there.
Did it already?
I
I wanted to see things blow up and like Satan to come out of there.
I wanted to get hit in the head with a piston.
Hey dude, look at that.
Check the dipstick.
Hashtag black smoke. Hashtag roll that coal.
Look at these idiots standing around right at the edge of it. I don't like the smell anymore. I want to go over there. Why don't we look at it I like that idea, man.
This is all
I got oh, I'm gonna touch something on this engine that's about to explode. Also got this cigarette in my mouth. Might drop that down in there.
A minute.
It is not dead.
And we asked the question, what happens if it runs for the full 20 minutes? It took 40 seconds for it to die the first
The
time.
last one, it just wouldn't give out.
Shouldn't have gone Buick.
The last
That,
one, I
that
believe,
Buick would have died with oil in it.
because if I remember right, the last
Hey,
one was like
Matthew.
a Grand Prix or something
Matthew.
like that.
You had like, what, 10 minutes down?
Yeah, 10
I
minutes.
think you, like,
I think I might have overestimated this car's ability.
I should have put 1 second.
I don't know
If
if
you
it
put
would've
1
run,
second, it's
like-
always like, whoever gets closest to it without going
I
over.
saved
Yeah.
$1.
You saved $1, yes.
Yep, I'm bored.
The water.
It's still not as bad as yesterday when you sprayed him with the hose.
Yeah, yesterday. What was it we were trying to do?
Trying to wash something off that he was holding, I think.
Yeah, I was trying to wash something off. I was trying to wash something off that Bryson was holding. We did not make it through, and I sprayed him all across his
No, I had picked up a brush and it like had stuff all over it, and I was like, ah. He's like, do you need me to wash off your hand? And I was like, yeah, and I held it out right here, and he sprays it, it goes all over my pants. Gosh dang it. Come on. Oh my god, what is that? I don't know. What is that?
Huh?
That there's a French fry.
Where wise men never go, but wise men never fall in
what are we making today? Yeah! No!
Hey, we're at a car show. That car over there is gonna blow up. There's gonna be lots of stupid stuff going on. And honestly, this might be the most fun car show video we've had all summer.
Okay, so there's a guy over there, and there's like the little dots. I thought it was a guy peeing on your car.
Now, just for reference, this, by the way, this trunk release has been pulled very clearly. It's saying pull this in order to get out of the car and run like hell. That's what it's telling you. Because I bet you people have been locked in the trunk of this very car. In fact, have I been locked in the trunk of this car before?
Not this one.
I've been in the trunk of that one 2 or 3 times.
I've been in the trunk of mine and the Mustang. You guys were in the trunk of the GLI, which is in another video on the channel.
Yes, and I've been in the trunk of that, and he floored it. The brand new Doris.
Oh yeah, let's check out the new Taurus.
It's not even registered in the.
We're waiting on trophies. This is the one thing that sucks when you come to a car show because you're sitting here all day. It's fun, it's worth it, but it can be miserable. And yeah. They were all pretty much dead. They've been playing the same 5 songs all day. It's fun, but oh my god.
1980 and newer class. Number 37, 2016 Dodge Challenger. Entry number 71, 2006 Mustang.
Close enough.
Entry number 72, 2014 Mustang. Entry number 10, 2012 Dodge Challenger, Matt Beamer. Entry number 26, 2015 Mustang.
There it is.
Entry number 89, 2005 Pontiac GTO. Entry number 90, 2003 Mustang, Xander Meisman. Entry number 77, an 82 Chevy Camaro, Carl Pierce.
Was this recording?
Yeah, it's being recorded for the whole thing.
Oh, okay. Well, there you go. I filmed it.
Thank you.
I was ready to go. Alright.
This Military, number 82, it's an old Air Force van, Dodge A100 pickup owned by Dave Long.
I think it's the thing about the cows I hit. It's because I hit the cows. I'm happy with how it turned out. And I am really, it was a great day for it. I got sunburned again, but we're going to go film a couple other things. We're going to go out and eat first though, because we're all starving. But the next show I'm planning on going to, I'm not going to show it, I'm just going to check it out. So I'll be at the Pumpkin Run and a couple other things like that. So hopefully those go well and I can bring you good content. This is the other fun thing about when you get done with a show, you have all of these cool cars and you're basically just all driving along or driving with each other.
Turn it! We're getting out of here!
Just take it over to that parking spot over there.
Turning.
Oh no!
Oh man, well this sucks. Abort!
Dang it!
Picked it up.
That's what we were talking.
We just pick it up and move it in the direction we want it to
Put
be.
it like over there. Get up, just kick him and get back
You're
down.
gonna hurt yourself.
I did it.
Yeah, I think that's why my
Shut up! I don't want to hear your voice.
has a crack in it. It's because like every time somebody gets out of my car, they use the
use
center
the-
console to push up.
Yeah, no pad.
Well, it's like whenever he brought the TR3, I went to get out and I'm just like, I have to roll out because I couldn't get
you
up.
gotta line up where you're gonna go and just do it. You know,
like
when you're
squat.
getting out, you just gotta
Oh,
like.
you
throw
haven't even
yourself.
gotten to experience the best part about having a Miata.
What
And
is
it's seeing other people with Miatas
Oh, boy.
and
Hey, buddy,
flashing
what's
your, or
up?
like making your headlights blink, and having or like seeing them go back or like do it back. It's the greatest feeling. But then you're like that guy when he doesn't do it back.
That's how it is with Mustangs. We
Oh
wave
yeah,
at each other.
you wave at them and they just don't wave back. It's like, fine, I'm not cool enough.
You get a crap stupid shirt.
So I hope you kill the Mustang week and don't come back.
Guys, but I'm kind of sick of the sun.
Yeah, my neck's sick of this.
So
Sun. I
are
mean,
you
just
sure?
look at that. That's
Your neck is
awful.
sun sick.
Matthew's fine.
I'm gonna outsmoke you. I got 5 quarts of oil to burn, buddy.
Oh yeah?
Yeah,
I got more RPMs than you.
I got more coolant.
I got less oil. I make more smoke.
Like, hold on a second. Let me see if I can find one.
Sup?
Hey, how you doing?
Oh my god. Oh.
Run.
Focus is quick enough.
Wait.
Right, because I'm gonna end the video here.
This is when you make
Sorry.
This is a perfect place to end the video.
Hey, Matthew, look at this focus.
You won't like me when I'm horny.
Look at you.
I can't wait to look back at this one.
Zoom
'cause
that out.
I'm
uncomfortable.
Wait, is it going in or out?
Dude, it's so I can count the hairs on your
Is it
face.
in or out?
It's in way too far. Hang on, wait, let me see. Is it close or is it far?
I don't know.
In my mind, you can see some of
This
the
is how you
buildings
do it
behind
right
me.
here.
So is that correct?
Alright, yeah, it just needs to come out. Just a little bit farther out.
All right, so today we're here in the Mustang and we're gonna be going out for some fun.
guys.
Hey, so all right, so
No,
we're off.
my
to-
hair looks like crap.
Hi there.
I can't read.
This here,
Oh Jesus! What has happened?
we
Don't
got
rip it!
we got Bradley Vape Nation swag over there, and
So hard to run with this.
we got
Nations.
Bryce and Fonzie right there.
Gosh dang it.
We got Maddie Big Balls.
No!
And we got Jaden,
I'm just
and
And Jaden.
I'm just
she's cool too.
I'm too cool for school.
Was it zoomed out enough now?
What is this video about?
This is ending the video for today.
Oh Jesus!
Very sweaty.
This is fantastic. Can we do all videos like this?
Yes, we
is
have
actually
to.
We've set a
Anyways,
standard
we
now.
went to the car show at Mount Orb today for the VFW, which was great, even though the blowing the car up wasn't eventful at
Freaking
all. It was
Porsche.
boring.
They turned it on and then it turned itself off.
I blame the Porsche. Marine push-ups.
I show you a real
One. Oh, fancy.
Oh, piss off.
Fancy.
All right, let's go.
do with me on top. I weigh about 30 pounds more.
Anyways, please check out check out his channel. They make some cool videos. I'll put a link up here. Click that card, one of them.
It's gonna go.
There,
Seriously,
there we go.
And then
All
it's
right.
gonna go.
So you click that. Now, if like the video, if you are, like the video if you haven't already, and please
That's
subscribe
over
down
here.
there.
What's that?
Yeah,
You look like you're
it looks like you're
Comment.
Whenever you do like the head bob,
Subscribe.
actually helps. And it's not illegal.
Subscribe.
subscribe, right?
Subscribe.
Yeah. Anyways, we took some pictures of the cars, and those will be up on my Instagram, which I'll leave the
He's gonna
name for
leave
that.
The fattest link to that
So-
Instagram.
Oh yeah.
Oh my goodness.
So-
Wow.
I did get a trophy for top 10.
Hey Bryson.
Something.
Bryson, how many times top 10 thought about joining the 1980 and newer. Top
So
10.
he got top 10 for being the loudest today. He was louder
got
than his
top
own
1.
car.
He's the loudest
Hey,
part
I
there.
just did like 3 push-ups and you missed it.
I saw.
Anyways, we'll see you in the next video before things
Yes,
get
I
too
have
crazy.
fun joining the Marine Corps.
This is gonna turn into a fight. Join the Marine Corps! Oh my!
I've gone through life pretending that time will change